Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the XTrend Speed Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the XTrend Speed Trading application on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you can tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. This will then take you into your profile page. Tap on the gear icon at the top right and then tap on Login Settings. Now you will see the Change Password button, which you can tap on, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. You will need to tap on the Click to Verify button and then check your inbox for an email from XTrend. You will then get your verification code. Enter this code within the verification box, and now you can enter your desired new password. Type in your desired new password and then tap on the Complete button, and now your password has successfully been changed. After this, you can use your new password to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the XTrend Speed Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.